Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery bracket, solid-state drives, fan, trunk, and heatsink fan assembly. Removal. Disconnect the power connector cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the power connector cable from the routing channel on the top cover. Remove the foam pad from the power connector cable and bracket. Remove the 3mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the power connector bracket to the top cover. Lift the power connector bracket off of the power connector and remove. Carefully release the power connector cable from the retention tabs on the top cover and remove. Replacement. Secure the power connector cable under the retention tabs on the top cover. Place the power connector bracket onto the power connector. Replace the 3mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the power connector bracket to the top cover. Replace the foam pad onto the power connector cable and bracket. Route the power connector cable through the routing channel on the top cover. Connect the power connector cable into its connector on the system board.